Let's face it, no one likes to pay for auto insurance. State laws may demand that we have a certain level of car insurance coverage, but let's be honest, if it was simply a matter of choice, many of us would simply not bother. But if you were involved in an accident, whether it was caused by you colliding into another vehicle or another vehicle colliding into you, the idea of having auto insurance to protect you, your family, and others injured in an accident suddenly sounds like a great idea. We all know that we really need car insurance. But with such a baffling choice of insurance companies, coverage types, and policy limits, it's difficult to know who or what to buy to adequately cover our risk in an accident. The problem is, how do you find great auto insurance at an affordable price, yet maintaining or even increasing insurance coverage and policy limits, so if you are in an accident, you don't end up having to pay out of your own pocket or from assets you had to sell to pay for the accident claim, or perhaps for costs of essential medical treatment that you or your family might need. You could spend hours scouring the internet, researching the many insurance companies, going through the exhausting and rather boring process of getting numerous quotations online, or even call these companies to get more information so you can at least figure out what you really need or what's a reasonable price to pay for the insurance coverage you need. But that can be time-consuming, frustrating, and hard work. But what if there is an easier way? What if you could make just one call to speak directly with an auto insurance specialist, someone who understands the local insurance market, the available discounts, the companies best suited for your insurance needs, and who can answer your questions in non-technical terms? Thing is, every driver's situation is unique, and every company offers its own special discounts, which they don't tell you about, and which many online quotation services can't offer or process. We often find when helping our customers, it's the small details that can make all the difference in saving you money without sacrificing on insurance coverage and policy limits that are vitally important to properly protect you and your family. So speak to one of our specialists today. You can either call the number you see on the screen or complete the callback request form on our website, and we will call you. Let us help you by performing a free insurance review so we can find you the most suitable insurance policy for your budget. You'll sleep better at night knowing that you have at least the right protection and coverage in place for you and your family. So what are you waiting for? Call us today. It costs you nothing. Or visit our website for more information.